What up everybody, welcome. So, doing a bit of tinkering today on the nav because some shit needs to be fixed. I got these from Amazon, right? I don't know what you call them, but I'm going to put them in the top of the roof rail and essentially securing down more of the rooftop tent, and I'm also going to drill in some more supporting beams for the rooftop tent because when I was off-roading and stuff, it was kind of like wasn't secure enough. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pull the shower awning off simply because I've got a Openroad Moto X show coming up in a couple of weekends and I need to have all of the non-Openroad shit off of there. So that's what I'm going to do. First things first, I need to drill out the holes because I have these brackets, these L brackets, and then my idea is I will put said bolt like this, and then I will put this bolt like this. All right, that's the idea. Okay, execution might be different though, but we'll see how we go. Do I have a marker? What the hell is this? That's a spray. There's no pen marker. Sick. Yeah, sick. I don't know what all this Indian music is on Anzac Day. It's kind of fucking crazy. Anyway, so idea, like that, bolt in there and bolt in there. So you need to put a hole there, and we could probably cut this. We don't need it that long, but we're going to use this one here. All right. Same thing down there. There, we use this hole. All right. Sick. So yeah, we're gonna have to take off this as well. I'm not the best at tinkering, but I want to get more into tinkering. So see how we go. Now the bottom ones don't need to be that big, but I'm still gonna do it because that's just a little bit more. The top ones need to be bigger. Perfect, right? I don't know if it's perfect. I wouldn't say perfect, but fuck it. That needs to be. I need to be center punching this really. Now, by my calculations, that should go through. Sick. So the idea, that's gonna go like that. That's gonna go through there. Hit that one. Probably put a little washer as well. That's gonna go like that. And then this one's gonna go like that. I mean, visualizing is great, but doing it is another thing. Let me tell you that for free. Washers. A real man doesn't use washers. Because that should be, it's got a flange on it anyway, these bolts that I found. These nuts, sorry. Alright, let's give that a go. That goes in there. Like so. Have go like that, and we'll tighten that bitch up. That will go on there. It's just gonna give us a little bit more. Oh, you know what I might do? A little bit of Loctite on that bitch. Yeah, good idea. Alright, a little bit of Loctite. Can do no harm. Yes, sir. So that's sort of the idea here. Boom, boom, secure that a bit more. I'll do one for the other side now. I need to think of a better way to mount this awning actually, because it's not really too good. Hopefully this will stop a lot of the movement of the rooftop tent. These additional brackets. And we are done for the first part. Very fucking windy today. Alright. Now I need an Allen key. And I'll save those. Don't need that bracket. Fuck all this shit on the floor, man. I got my Allen key set here. Let me take a quick guess. Could be that. Most likely will be that. One first. Oh man, I'm so good at this shit. Perfectly perfect. Master Chief. Perfectly perfect. So previously, this bracket and that bracket, there was nothing there. So there was heaps of movement up and down. And when we were on the tracks, like this whole bit was all, it was going crazy. This needs to go more underneath. Solar panel needs to be refitted because these are just fucking tech screwed in, which is really poor design. But yeah, I got all this space on top. So I might measure this up and be able to get some boxes on top. I like how I can use this for cargo space, or if I'm like bringing someone else camping, I can chuck some shit up here. But that is something I really need to do, so I'm happy I did that. Put additional support bolts in this channel, one there and one there, because that's basically how I've done it, right? This is an adjustment, that's a spacer, solid steel spacer, adjustment bolt like that. So we do have a big gap under here. And then yeah, there's ones at the front too, but we need to put another one in here today, I think. So I need to measure from there to there, go inside, directly horizontal, drill a hole. When I installed the rooftop tent, I didn't have any roof rails, same like my old one, so I just had leftover holes straight into the sheet metal of the alloy. But where I've put those adjustments, they're pretty much on top of the subframe bracing internally, so it is supported. It's not just a straight sheet metal. It's pretty much right off the drop off where, you know, the A-frame is. All right, bolt, nut, spacer, strengthener, nut, adjustment nut, and a securing nut. So this goes underneath, and that goes into the canopy like that, right? And then this one goes like this. That's basically the setup that we have. All right, so this isn't really ideal right now. I'm kind of in my canopy. There's shit everywhere. But 1.5 inches is what I'm going for. So that's what I'm going for. That's the idea there. So just doubling up because I only had this one before. So that's gonna help with some support of the rooftop tent. And I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. So that actually came up pretty good. And you can adjust the height that these sit at. So you want it to be kind of maxed out. Yeah. Disconnected. Your Bluetooth device. All right, so we fixed the rooftop adjustment, did a little bit of tinkering and all that. I think the next couple of things I need to do is redo the solar panel fitment. I also want to upgrade solar panels, so let me know in the comment section which solar panel you use, because I think mine is 120 watts. It's a little bit outdated. I want to get a black one to go with the black and gray theme. Also got a few more things coming on the channel. I've got an anytime diff locker coming, so I'll be doing a full install and review on that. And I've got a few other things on the go. So let me know in the comments which solar panel you use, which solar system, sort of what sort of solar. You got a fold out one, you got a fixed one, you got a blanket, anything that you've got. Let me know in the comment section down below, because I really want to know what sort of ideas you have and how to fit it, because these brackets that I got, these ones, right, they sit up too high. So I've got the roof bars on the rooftop tent crossbars, right? This goes on them, and then that goes on that. So it creates like a big 1 inch gap. I don't want gaps. Like, I'm already don't like the rooftop to canopy gap, but like, there's not much I can do unless I put roof bars on there. It still like makes it way too high. So let me know what sort of setup you've got for fitting it to the top of your car, and also what brands and what size solar panel you have. But yeah, that's gonna do it. That's gonna be it for this episode. Check out my ratings series. I do rig rundowns, so you can submit your own four-wheel drives. Click on the screen right now. That'll be my latest one. Eventually, I want to get it to a point where I'm giving away stuff for free. So submit all of your rigs that you have, utes, full drives. It can be anything. I do a little series every now and then. So click on the screen right now. Peace.